Yes, very interesting. How to make a box plot. So today we're going to look at making a box plot for these 20 numbers. We saw how to do a dot plot for these 20 numbers. And when you're making a box plot, you need the 5-number summary. 5-number summary. That's going to be the minimum, quarter 1, median, which is also quarter 2, quarter 3, and the max. So the minimum and the maximum are easy. Min is just the very smallest number. Max is the biggest. Be careful if the data set is mixed. Let's say the 29 was here, and the 46 is there, and the 36 is here. That's what they like to do on the A/B test. They like to mix it up. Make sure that you know that you have to order them first. Otherwise, you're going to pick the first one as the minimum, and it might not be. So just be careful with the data set. But in this case, it's already ordered for you because I'm a nice guy. So my minimum is going to be 29, and my maximum is going to be 46. We have to get the quarters next. Quarter 1 is the 25th percentile. We talked about that on a different video. Quarter 3 is the 75th percentile. This is the 50th percentile, or the median. So since I have 20 values, the median is going to be right in the middle of them. These are the first 10, how I ordered them. This is 11 through 20. So my median is going to be between 43 and 43. That's number 10. This is number 11. So my median is between the two of them. Between 43 and 43 is 43. And then we want to get the quarter 1 and the quarter 3. So we're going to kind of take the median of the first set of 10 numbers. And since there's 10 numbers here, we're going to take the median. It's between 5 and 6. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. My quarter 1 is the median of the first 10. So between 5 and 6, how would I get that? Put that over there for now. I'm going to do the 5th number, 36, plus the 6th number, and divide it by 2, and it gets me 37.5. Did that real quick in my head. We're going to do the same thing for quarter 3. If we want to get the quarter 3 number, we want to go between 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 44, and the 16th number, 44. Between 15 and 16. So quarter 3 is going to be 44. And my max is 46. So these are our 5-number summaries. This is how we're going to make the bulk of the box plot. The last thing we want to figure out is, are there outliers? So there's an outlier rule when we come to box plots, and that's going to be your outlier. Oh, that's a green pen. Your outlier will be anything that's smaller than quarter 1 minus 1.5 times IQR. Or anything that's bigger than quarter 3 plus 1.5 times IQR. IQR is going to be quarter 3 minus quarter 1. It's called the interquartile range. You're looking at how much data is within the 50%. So it's quarter 3 minus quarter 1, which is 44 minus 37.5, which is 7.5. So we just got to figure out if this is smaller than Q1 minus 1.5 times 7.5, or if this is bigger than Q3 plus 1.5 times 7.5. Now, since my quarter 3 is 44, this is not, if I add 7.5 times 1.5, 46 is not bigger than that. I'm not going to have to worry about this one in this particular data set. But I may have to worry about the smaller one because 29 is far away from 37.5. So I'm going to do quarter 1 is 37.5. When I do this, 1.5 times 7.5, you get 9.8. You get my trusty calculator. Clear. 7.5 times 1.5 is 11.25. And then if you do 37.5 minus 11.25, you get 26. 29 is not smaller than 26.25, so there are no outliers. So we're just going to use the basic 5-number summary. We're going to start at 29 and put a point. That's my min. This is going to go up to 37.5. I'll say it's right about there. That's quarter one. Quarter two, or my median, goes up to 43. We'll say it's right about there. This then goes to 44, which isn't too much far over. And then we go to 46. So 44, something's going on with my pen, and then 46. You got min, quarter one is the first, median is the middle, quarter three, and then your max. And that's how you create a box in Boxplot. And Michaela just came in. Years from now, when you guys are watching this, my students that aren't even born yet, you're gonna say, who's Michaela, Mr. Berg? And I'm gonna say, well, she's the current president.